Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it's the 16th day of December. Time as I make this is crazy early. It's 20 minutes after 3, but it's about to rain at this location, so I wanted to get this part of the video done. The storm system we're dealing with today will be out of here fairly early. Colder air floods in back behind it. We have another storm system coming up over the upcoming weekend. I'll give you the latest on timing on that. We'll look at future radar as well. And over the next 2 weeks, from now through the end of the month, are very interesting and complicated from a forecaster's standpoint. My job is to try to dissect it for you and make some sense of it for you, and that's what I'm going to try to do right now. I'm glad you're here. Complicated setup on the map with low pressure near the Mobile Bay early this morning, and another one in the Ohio Valley, and another one off the East Coast. This is all going to gel together into a major storm for the northeastern U.S., but it has its evolution here. We have rain dominating much of the morning hours, but I think by early afternoon, much of the rain is already in Georgia. That stops at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Here's a snapshot at 10:30 showing the back edge of the concentrated rain into central Alabama at that hour, moving eastward into Georgia. So by noon, most of the rain will have left the state into Georgia, and this complicated storm system that'll clobber the Northeast, just historic, one of the biggest in years, will continue to develop and produce maybe 2 to 3 feet of snow in some cases in parts of the Northeast, and just annihilate some of the big cities up there as far as travel goes. So the rain risk is mainly early today. I think we're dry this afternoon with today's high 56, tonight's low easily 34, 33, somewhere around there. A little easterly breeze, 6 to 12 miles per hour. Tomorrow will be windy and colder. Temperatures cruising near 50 degrees, but you'll swear it's colder because of the winds. And by Friday morning, we're in the upper 20s here in central Alabama, and maybe even some upper 20s to around 30 down in southeast Alabama, and even colder up in north Alabama. I don't think wind chill will be much of a factor. We'll be sunny on Friday. Not quite as cool. Temperatures cruising into the upper 50s. I think we're in the upper 50s on Saturday as well. Much of Saturday, if you have plans during the day, is dry, but we have more rain coming in Saturday night as another storm system affects the area. So we continue to be in a very active pattern. That continues overnight Saturday in through the least early hours of Sunday. I think later in the day, Sunday, we start to dry out, and that begins Christmas week. This is Monday, the first day of winter. The GFS says we're dry on Monday. The European model says we're wet on Monday, so question marks there. We've got a high around 50 tomorrow, but the winds will make it seem colder. Down to 28 on Friday morning, upper 50s on Friday and Saturday. I think there could be a shower late in the day Saturday, a better chance of rain Saturday night into Sunday, especially in the early part of Sunday. And right now I have Monday dry, but that is subject to review. We'll see how that pans out. Let's look closer to Christmas Eve now. Looks like a significant storm system will be affecting the state. We've been telling you about this for days. The timing will change, so don't take this to the bank yet. But maybe after the front moves through, some sharply colder air will just funnel into the state, perhaps, if this timing remains the same, and maybe even some snow up there in northwest Alabama. We'll see. The temperature crash after that front could be significant, so we'll keep an eye on the Christmas forecast as we get closer and closer. It looks interesting, and maybe another storm system out towards New Year's Eve. Active weather times ahead, and our weather app will keep you on top of the action with instant push notifications for any severe weather alerts, 10-day forecasts, hourly forecasts, interactive radar down to the neighborhood level, future radar, and access to all these videos as well. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. It's free. It's a good thing that this low that we're dealing with today is way down near the Mobile Bay because south of it, there are some monster thunderstorms. So this would have been a severe weather situation for us if the low wasn't where it is. This is going to be a historic storm for the northeastern U.S., a nor'easter, one for the history books, no doubt about it. We're live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. We're also live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Their morning program is called Alabama Rising. There'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. and you can always find my forecast across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. All right, it's about to rain here, so I'm going to go inside, and I'll see you later. Have a good day.